Hi you guys, I hope you all are doing good. I am super excited for this video because I love handbags. If you ever spot me or if you ever meet me, you will always see me carrying a bag or a handbag or a purse because I just love them because I feel like I cannot survive without them. I feel like if I'm going outside, I really need everything. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my 4 basic bags which I feel like every girl should have, and I will also tell you where from I got it and for how much I got it. All these bags I feel like are super affordable and they are of good quality. So without further delay, let's get started. So the first bag that I have with me is this basic black tote bag. I feel like a tote bag is a necessity for every girl, especially if you're a college going girl and an office going girl. You can carry so much of stuff inside it. I literally used to keep, when I used to go to college, I used to keep my bottle, my a lot of books and my wallet and my charger and my earphones and makeup products, literally everything inside this bag. So this bag actually has one big compartment and you get this divider as well, and then you also get 2 pockets over here and one zip pocket also here, so it has a lot of storage. Then you also get one more here and one compartment over here as well. So basically it has 3 big compartments and 3 pockets, which I feel are perfect for any girl. You can keep a lot of stuff inside of it, and if you don't want to use the divider, you can just take it out. Now if you want this similar bag, this one I specifically got from Lajpat Nagar. It was near my college. I went to Lajpat Nagar and I found this from a shop and I got it for around 700 or 750. I got it almost a year ago, and I think that was not the price that the guy was telling me. He was telling me around 900 or something. So if you have strong bargaining skills, you can actually get it for even less than 600. I just had the capacity to bargain that much, and then I got it for around like 700 rupees. So I feel like 700 is a good price for this kind of bag because it is so huge. And you also get these attachment with this. This is for those days when your bag is super heavy. Okay, so the next bag that I have with me is smaller compared to the first bag that I shown you. Is this a nude bag? I don't know exactly what you call them because this is not a clutch, this is not a handbag, but I think you can call them like a purse or something. I feel like this is a very staple bag which you guys need. I got this one from Max Fashion and I think it costed me around 2500 or something. It might seem expensive, but I think it is worth every penny because the quality of it, the finish of it is amazing. So this is how it opens up, and then you get a lot of space in it, which is good if you are going for an event. You can carry it with you and it looks super chic. And you also get a zip pocket with it, and you actually also get an attachment with it which you can attach here for a longer strap. I feel like a nude bag is a necessity for every girl because these nude bags actually go on with every single of your dress, be it an ethnic dress or a western dress. If you have a nude bag, you'll be good to go. So the next bag that I have with me is my super favorite. I am in love with this bag and I always make sure that I somehow carry this bag only whenever I'm heading out because I love everything about this bag. So this black velvet sling bag is from Shein. I know you guys can now not shop from Shein, but I'll make sure that I leave a similar product down in the description box so you can check there. This is not a shoulder bag, it is actually kind of like a sling bag, but I made it into a shoulder bag by just doing this, and I love carrying it like this. It looks like this, and the best part, it carries so much of your products. I can keep my phone, my charger, my lipstick, my metro cards and even my wallet, and still I won't feel like I have like overloaded it or it's not closing up. So it opens up like this and then you go on like this, and you get a lot of space inside it. It might look that it's smaller, but it carries a lot of stuff. It even has another pocket compartment in it, which I absolutely love. I love the finish of this bag. It has like these crisscross things, which I absolutely love. I will try and find a similar bag and will link it in the description box. So the last bag that I'm going to show you is my personal favorite. I didn't got enough chances to actually carry this bag a lot, but whenever I carried it, people loved it. They always ask me from where I got this. So the bag that I'm going to show you is this beautiful tote bag. It is so beautiful. So that is the front. This is the back. The back is also beautiful. I love this mix of prints, and all of these are clothes. These are not like any kind of graphics. The straps also has some work going on it, and I absolutely love it. The best part about this bag is the space. I can literally fit in my laptop even in it, and I still feel like it has a lot of space. I love this bag so much. You can carry it with your ethnic dresses. So I got this bag from Hunar Haat. Now if you don't know what Hunar Haat is, so it was kind of like a stall festival. I don't know how to properly describe it, by a government near India Gate. Now in case you are looking for a similar bag, you can find these kind of similar bags in Sarojini and Janpath, but mostly in Janpath, which is in Connaught Place. You can search, and you can also get these kind of similar bags in Delhi Haat, which is near Janakpuri, I guess. I'm not really sure of the location, but you can find these kind of bags over there. They might be a little expensive there, but if they are expensive, and in case you are thinking to invest your money in this, please make sure that you touch it, you feel it, you see everything inside of it before buying any of the bags, so that you don't waste your money in a bad quality product. In case I find a similar bag online, I will link it in the description box below. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked my mini collection of my bags. I have a lot of bags, but this was just some 4 basic bags. So for more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. All of them are linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video.